How to make sentences for the given word touch. Touch is a verb. We can also use this word touch as a noun. So this is a transitive verb. That is, after this verb, we can place object. So here is the example. I touch the soft teddy bear. In this sentence, we have used the word touch as a verb. He touches the shiny red ball. He is a third person singular pronoun, so we'll use yes with the verb touch. He touches the shiny red ball. She touches the smooth rock. They touch. There is a plural, right? So we don't use yes or s. This is the plural form of verb. They touch the cat. Fluffy cat. We touch the bumpy surface. I think the meaning of this touch, the touch has several meanings, but if you touch something, this means that you want to feel that something or somebody, right? Here is the here we have used touch as a noun. The touch of the sun is warm. The touch of the snow is cold. This touch is used as a noun because look, before touch we have used the article the. Article plus noun. This is the structure of noun phrase, and here the subject of the verb is touch, and the modifier of the sun is a modifier. This is a prepositional phrase. Here this phrase is used as a adjective because it is modifying the noun touch. The touch of the sun is warm. The touch of the snow is cold. The touch of the water is wet. The touch of the flower is gentle. The touch of the wind is cold.